Your Lordship, today the purpose was for the respondents to comply with the court order issued on 28 October 2025 to produce the subject matter in court, dead or alive. So that's what we expect to hear from Mr. Ngwega. No legal stories or arguments. Let them tell us where is the subject matter. Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Ondieki.
This circus has gone on for the last 4 years. Mr. Ngwega now comes and says the file was deposited in their office this morning. And there are two very able counsels representing the DPP and by necessary implication the other parties. So we are saying it is, Your Lordship. This constitution, however, is not just a paper. It is the document that puts us together as a country.
The matter has been to court for the last?
They have been detaining the subject matter for 4 years.
4 years?
Yes. Incommunicado. And Your Lordship, counsel comes to court and says, yes, he has received the file this morning. And then you can look at the strategic delivery of the file this morning. So, and I thought court orders are court orders. We are all subject to this constitution that we must respect and obey court orders. It was a court order that they produced the subject matter today before you, whether he's alive or deceased. So they cannot be telling us about consequences. Your Honor, Your Lordship, in the absence of the compliance with the court, I pray that you issue warrants, because you issued summons. You issued warrants, let them be arrested, let them be brought to court under warrant. That's when they will know that the rule of law is the rule of law and none of us is above the law. We must all respect the Constitution and respect the rule of law.
My Lord, I hear what my friend says. And I will be asking the court to sort out the issue of representation. I indicated I'm representing the DPP. And in matters of this nature, instructions are specific to a client. I do not know how my landed colleague will now transfer instructions of second, third, and fifth to me, whom he acknowledges were in court last time, probably when I was not there. I communicated to the extent of what is within our powers. And I must assure this court, my Lord, that the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution upholds the Constitution, specifically the person who appears before you. I strictly comply with the rule of law. That's why I had to make a follow-up in the morning to get very clear instructions. And I realized that it had been posted and allocated to a colleague who is supposed to brief the DPP for directions. And probably once we brief the DPP, we may come with instructions which may even resolve this matter. And my land friend appears even to be knowing the custody where the person is. He should be aware to the DPP so that we can now direct whoever has in custody to produce him here or charge that person for wrongful confinement. My land colleague appears to be a very good source of information can assist us as prosecution. I will invite him that he can bring that information to us, which he has the custody, then we deal with it. We will cooperate with him. Because confining somebody for all these years, according to us, is crime, it's criminal. And he appears to have the information. But on the part, the instructions for the second, third, and the fifth,
yes,
were specifically given to Mr. Nyamot, as you already told me that he was in court last time, which of course I was not, I can't confirm. The records probably can confirm for us. We do not know what has happened, it's not in court. But the first time I can confirm, when this matter came up, we came with him all the way down there. As he was addressing you, we were with him. Fortunately, my land colleague, Mr. JB had appeared, so I could not enter on record. I could not place myself on record, but I followed the proceedings. And Mr. Nyamodi was there with 4 officers who were his clients. So you can see even the way, I can confirm the way even Mr. Nyamodi and his clients took the matter seriously. I remember them addressing you in Nairobi when they came late. We even do not know whether they are also struggling to reach here as we have done. We would have been here enough. We were at around 10:20, but we were locating the court.
Okay, Your Lordship, taking the fact that the office of the ODPP is just in Upper Hill, it's about 300 meters from here, we can yield and say that if you can direct that the matter be mentioned tomorrow, so that he goes and studies the file and tells the court what the file contains. That will be a fair deal.
My land colleague is assuming a lot. The office of the TPP, in line with Article 156, can act in person to officers supporting to him by giving. Currently, the director is attending an international forum for prosecutors, so he's out of the country. So the officer who was allocated need to get directions from, need to brief him, not me. Me, I'm an agent. So it's not as simple as, and I know he's aware that we act under specific or general directions. In matters of this magnitude, which touches on human rights, the DPP must be briefed and must give direction personally, not through agents. So I'm not trying to trade, but we are taking the matter serious. We do not want to appear tomorrow and come with an excuse. We will propose that if you can get about a week or so that probably 2 weeks, because I know it's away up to Friday, in an international prosecutors forum, and is the chairman for African Prosecutors Association. Even if we wanted to ban midnight oil, we can ban the midnight oil. The officer has been given, but we may not get the directions within that sort of time. But we also require the presence of first, second, third, and fifth, so that we sort out this issue once and for all.
He has explained himself. I propose that you issue warrants of arrest for the first, second, and fifth respondents. No, second, third, and fifth. Second and third particularly. Yeah, second and third, they should reserve many warrants to bring them to court, because they are not here and there is no explanation.
Have you had communication with Mr. Nyamodi?
Not today, Your Lordship.
Not today.
Not today.
And my lord, I've also seen the Honorable Attorney General is the first respondent.
No, that's why I said second and third. I said warrants should be issued against second and third, because they are not in court. Yeah, they were supposed to produce the subject, they have not produced, they are not in court. And the court orders must be respected, Your Honor. The ODPP should not tell us lip service of human rights when they actually are in it and violating the same rights, left, right, and center. You want to see action?
Yes, Mr. Ngwega insinuates or suggests, let me use the word suggest, it suggests that you are aware of the whereabouts of your client.
From his statement, because he has been in custody for 4 years, he may even belong in the custody. From his submissions, before I responded. As ODPP, we are not aware, but I said, if he may be having the information and is not willing to defer it to, he can defer it to the DPP, and we will sort out this matter once and for all, because he indicated that they have been holding him in custody for 4 years. If I got his submission right, my lord, probably I may have gotten him wrong. His submission when he was addressing, he said that we have the subject has been held in custody for 4 years. And I assume that he was meaning he knows the custody, the place where he is. He can furnish that information to us. We'll be more than willing to deal with it in a very confidential way.
Yes. You appreciate, Mr. Ngwega, that 4 years
It's quite a long time.
is a long time.
A day is a long time, not even 4 years now.
Yes.
A day is a long time. Even an hour, it's a long time. If somebody blocks us here for an hour, we will all of us wait here. You know we are confined. It's quite a long time.
Yes, that's why we'll come next week. Monday. We'll have a mission on 17th November, which is a Monday.
We can have it, my lord, on
Tuesday
Tuesday or
Tuesday.
Wednesday, because
Tuesday.
the DPP is away. I hope by Monday will be in the office. We can try Wednesday.
Doesn't he have a deputy?
No, the matter of this magnitude, touching on people's rights.
You know,
we
the
want
country cannot be held
I know he's
at
also
ransom because he is somewhere on a conference.
No, I am aware he was not anticipating this. He was not anticipating this. I am aware he's also aware with some of his defeats. It's not just a conference. He had not anticipated a serious matter like this will come for hearing today.
Judge, you can have it on the 18th.
18th?
19th is okay, Your Lordship.
19th.
Yeah. 18th or 19th?
19th will be appropriate, my lord.
You are taking
So,
it
so
forward?
that my lord, I do not want again to come and start making applications.
Yes.
I should come with an explanation. That's what is in my heart. I wish he would have been around by Monday. The matter would be for him and he would give directions. That's the reason I'm not pushing it away. If he was around, I would have asked even for tomorrow.
Notices will issue to Mr. Nyamodi for the mention.
Most obliged, Your Lordship.
Mr. Nyamodi is for the 2nd, 3rd, and 5th. Eh?
Yes.
And of course, there should be a notice to the AG. If Mr. Yamod is not representing.
The AG is the first respondent.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And the first respondent.
Judge, is it the 18th or 19th?
19th.
Most of it.
19th November.